Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 2 High Silhouette, and these are known as the Pythons. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Huge shout out to the Jordan brand family for sending these my way. Today we'll be discussing the Air Jordan 2 High Silhouette, and these are known as the Pythons. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really cool patterned silhouette. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're going for on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who are fans of the Air Jordan 2 silhouette in the high variation, I do think that this is a very cool and intricately different color combination than what we've seen in the past. It is very simple on the upper. We've got just this smooth white leather on the toe box, some simple white laces, and then some off-white eyelets on the side paneling. And then when we work our way to the tongue, it's fully covered in the smooth white leather. And then when we move up to the tongue, we've got the Wings logo, and it's in this patent black tone. The interior behind says Imagine in red on both sides on that nice embroidered patch. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Wrapping around to the side paneling, this is where you will see why this is coined the Python. It's because of the Python material that you see here and this really cool metallic color scheme. So definitely resonates what a Python would look like, and it definitely hits that light really nicely. Then we've got smooth white leather in between that, and then on the back we've got Nike embroidered in that nice red finish on top of some black leather. And then as we wrap around to the lateral side, we've got that same Python pattern in that nice metallic-y silver hue. The interior for the insole is white and black, and the sneakers finish with an off-white midsole and a gray, black, and off-white tone for the outsole. The box is very simplistic as well. This is typically the box we get with our Air Jordan 2 silhouettes, and it is in that cream colorway to match the bottom of the midsole perfectly. All right, let's take a look at those details and then jump into size and fit. All right, so as far as sizing goes, I stuck true to size in the twos and I feel like they fit me perfectly. I do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when deciding on which size range will work best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Definitely had to wear some cool pieces that Jordan Brand sent me. For the first look, I wore one of my favorite actual Jordan pieces I wear all the time, which is this really cool satin red and white bomber jacket. Layered that over a ribbed Jordan top, and then I wore some nice Jordan cargo black pants.
I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Yeah. Don't you go off now. Look.
Then for the second look, I decided to switch it up a little bit with a matching set. So some nylon track pants from Jordan, and those track pants match the track jacket as well, and it has some nice just silver metallic tones for the tread, which again I think mimicked and matched that Python perfectly.
I wanna live in my best life, and if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side, yeah. Moving different than all the rest, cause I'm by doing it different. New vision and no regrets, man. I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm higher, we all tall. Just know I got your back, if you down then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, yeah. Let's spend time more than we spend cash.
Then for the last and final look, I wore a Jordan distressed sweater that was more of a charcoal gray tone. Again, I feel like that charcoal gray really just adds to the gray accents of the sneaker itself. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some wide-legged denim pants.
You got one life and it do end fast, but oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving. Don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right.
You butterfly, don't jar so with it. Guess your cards till you show me. You a royal flush, got me folding. Before I was sitting on the sidelines. Now every moment with you is my favorite highlight. And when you by my side, I'm always winning. Had me up by touchdown from the beginning. Oh, look like a million touch, so priceless. Big time, no cap, you the finest. The summer love don't fade like a tattoo. Forever's on enough time to be with you.
As far as the retail goes for these retailed at $175, and you can find these at different stores that are Jordan retailers as well as the sneakers app. All right, thanks again Jordan Brand for sending these my way. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next episode.